Dear students, as we come to the end of our discussion on the first chapter, you all must have been wondering whether the subject economics is a science or an art. In fact, there's a great controversy among the economists regarding the nature of economics, whether the subject economics can be considered as science or an art. Before we start discussing whether economics is science or not, it becomes necessary for us to have a clear idea about what is science. Science is a systematic study of facts which develops the core relationship between cause and effect. Its other characteristics are, like all the laws of science are universally accepted, all the laws of science are tested and based on experiments, and science can also make future predictions, and science has a scale of measurement. On the basis of all these characteristics of science, according to some economists like Professor Robbins, Professor Jordan, Professor Robertson, etc., economics is also a subject which can be considered as science like physics, chemistry, etc., because it has several characteristics which are similar to other science subjects. For instance, economics is also a systematic study of knowledge and facts. Economics also deals with the correlationship between cause and effect. For example, in economics, we study the relationship between price and supply. We find that when there's a change in price, it brings about a change in the supply. That means the change in price is the cause and the change in supply is effect. Similarly, the laws of economics are also universally accepted, like the law of demand, law of supply, etc. The theories and laws of economics are based on experiments. Economics also has scale of measurement. According to Professor Marshall, money is used as the measuring rod in economics. However, according to Professor A.K. Sen, Human Development Index is used to measure economic development of a country. However, the most important question is whether economics, if it is a science, whether it is a positive science or a normative science. Now, what is positive science? Positive science deals with all the real things or activities. It gives the solution. What is, what was, what will be. It deals with all the practical things. For example, poverty and unemployment are the biggest problems in India. The life expectancy of birth in India is gradually rising. All these above statements are known as positive statements. These statements are all concerned with real facts and information. On the other hand, normative science deals with what ought to be, what ought to have happened. Normative science offers suggestions to the problems. The statements dealing with these suggestions are coming under normative statements. These statements give the ideas about both good and bad effects of any particular problem or policy. For example, illiteracy is a curse for Indian economy. The backwardness of Indian economy is due to population explosion. Now, an important question arises whether economics is a positive science or a normative science. Economists like Professor Senior, a classical economist, and Professor Robbins, Professor Friedman, they all claimed that economics is a positive science. However, Professor Pigou, Professor Marshall, etc., they are of the opinion that economics is a normative science. According to some economists, thus, economics is both positive and normative science because it does not only tell us why certain things happen, however, it also gives idea whether it is right thing to have happened. Now, there is also a discussion on whether economics is a art. According to T.K. Mehta, knowledge is science, action is art. According to Pigou, Marshall, etc., economics is also considered as an art. In other words, art is the practical application of knowledge for achieving particular goals. Science gives us principles. However, art turns all these principles into reality. Therefore, considering the activities in economics, it can be claimed that economics is an art. Because economics gives guidance to various economic problems. It gives solutions to the various economic problems. Therefore, we can conclude that economics is neither a science nor an art only. It is a golden combination of both. Science and art are both complementary to each other. Hence, we can conclude that economics is both a science as well as an art.